Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how I create this wavy bob hairstyle inspired by Selena Gomez and Taylor Swift. A while ago, I went on Instagram to ask you what celebrity hairstyles I should try to recreate, and I got a lot of suggestions. For this video, I decided to start with the pictures that were sent in by Cameron_Veil12 and Doll's Imagination, since both singers were wearing their short blonde hair in a wavy bob cut. For this hairstyle, I decided to use my Ashlynn Ella doll from Ever After High because I already cut her hair prior to the video. To make it look more like Selena and Taylor, I cut the hair even shorter using the same method I used in my bob haircut tutorial, by putting the hair in a low ponytail and cutting off the hair in a straight line. I spray the hair with water so I'm able to clean up the haircut. You do want to make sure to keep the hair a little longer than you want it to be, because adding curls to the hair will make it appear shorter. When I was happy with the haircut, I take my straws and start loosely curling the hair, making sure to alternate directions for a more messy, natural look. As you can see, I keep quite some space between each time I wrap the strand to make sure the curls won't come out looking too tight. When all the hair is wrapped in straws, I dip the hair in boiling water, followed by a cold water rinse, to make sure the curls stay in the hair. I take out the straws when the hair is still wet, to reveal the curls. Because I'm going for that more casual wavy look, I brush out the curls to make them less perfect. Then when the hair is dry, I take an elastic band, part off the front section of one side, and add the elastic on this part as a headband. Because you keep the other side slicked back, it looks like the doll has her hair tucked behind the ears. And then your celebrity doll is done! I really hope you liked this video. If you did and you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below which celebrity hairstyle I should create next, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram @TheDollBoy. See you next time!